अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। असिस्टेंट पंजाब पुलिस ओल्ड केस का पेपर होना है ऑन 20th एंड 21st ऑफ जून। सो उसके लिए पीपीएससी के जो मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ हैं उनको आज हम रिवाइज़ करेंगे, जो आपको पेपर में बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे और यहाँ से काफ़ी एमसीक्यूज़ आपको पेपर में दोबारा नज़र आएंगे। इन एमसीक्यूज़ को कंपाइल किया गया है फ्रॉम पीपीएससी 2021 टू 2026 जी के पास पेपर्स। पीपीएससी के जितने भी जनरल नॉलेज के पास पेपर्स हुए हैं 2021 से लेकर 2026 तक, उनमें जो मोस्ट रिपीटेड जनरल नॉलेज के एमसीक्यूज़ हैं तमाम सब्जेक्ट से, उनको कंपाइल किया गया है और उनकी हम रिवीजन करेंगे। सो पेपर से पहले आप लोगों ने इन एमसीक्यूज़ को लाजमी पढ़ना है। आज की इस रिवीजन लेक्चर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोगों में से जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी असिस्टेंट पंजाब पुलिस के लिए नोट्स चाहिए हों, जिसमें जनरल नॉलेज के अंडर जो तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं, पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ हो गया, करंट अफेयर्स, जियोग्राफ़ी, नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल, उर्दू, इंग्लिश, जनरल साइंस, इस्लामियात, कंप्यूटर, तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स के 1000 मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ चाहिए हों 2021 से लेकर 2026 तक, ताकि पेपर से पहले आप लोगों की अच्छे से रिवीजन हो जाए और वो स्टूडेंट्स भी जिन्होंने अभी तक बिल्कुल भी तैयारी नहीं की है तो वो इस पोजीशन में हों कि अच्छे नंबरों से पेपर को पास कर सकें, क्योंकि बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होंगे जो इस पेपर को देने जाएंगे। 2020 का ये केस है और अभी 2026 में इस एग्ज़ाम को दोबारा कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है। तो दरमियान में आप लोगों के पास तकरीबन 5 से 6 साल गुजर चुके हैं और ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है। यही मेन रीज़न है कि आल दो इसमें 57,000 प्लस कैंडिडेट्स ने अप्लाई किया था 2020 में, लेकिन पेपर देने बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स जाएंगे। अगर आप लोग थोड़ी सी भी मेहनत कर लें, जिन्होंने अभी पेपर देना है उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया है, तो स्टूडेंट्स कम होने की वजह से कंपटीशन कम हो जाएगा और आप कम मार्क्स लेकर भी मेरिट पर आ सकते हैं। लेकिन उसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आपने कुछ ना कुछ लाजमी पढ़ा हुआ हो। नोट्स अगर आपको चाहिए हों तो यहाँ पर व्हाट्सएप नंबर शो हो रहा है, उस पर कांटेक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। 50% डिस्काउंट पर ये नोट्स आपको मिल जाएंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, दी फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाज इनेक्टेड ऑन 23rd of March 1956. कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना joined All India Muslim League in year 1913. Strategic Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. Headquarters of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation is located in Kathmandu. United Nations organization was officially established on 24th of October 1945. The only surah of the Holy Quran that does not start with Bismillah is Surah Tawbah. Partition of Bengal took place in 1905 under the viceroyalty of Lord Curzon. Pakistan became a formal member of United Nations on 30th of September 1947. The book titled India Wins Freedom was written by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Famous Urdu book Raja Gid was authored by Bano Qudsiya. Fasting Roza was made obligatory for Muslims in year 2 AH. The historic Treaty of Hudaybiyah was written down by Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The standard currency used in Malaysia is the ringgit. The functional and structural unit of human kidney is known as nephron. Khyber Pass strategically connects Pakistan with Afghanistan. The Palk Strait separates India from Sri Lanka. Highest mountain peak in Canada is Mount Logan. Scurvy is a disease caused due to the acute deficiency of vitamin C. The main organ affected by virus of hepatitis is the liver. The famous Allahabad Address was delivered by Allama Iqbal in the year 1930. The first viceroy of undivided subcontinent was Lord Canning. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation came into formal existence in 1969. The total number of states comprising the United States of America is 50. Longest river in the entire world is Nile River. Largest cold or hot desert in the world by area is Antarctic Desert. The largest non-continental island in the world is Greenland. The deep and vast ocean that is largest on earth is the Pacific Ocean. Interfax is the prominent official news agency belonging to Russia. The last major ghazwa in Islamic history in which the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, participated was Ghazwa Tabuk. The famous Urdu drama Anarkali was written by Imtiaz Ali Taj. The chief editor of the historical revolutionary newspaper Zamindar was Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. The book Pride and Prejudice is a classical novel written by Jane Austen. The masterpiece literature War and Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy. The concept of clash of civilizations was presented in a book by Samuel Huntington. The title Khatibul Anbiya was given to the Prophet Hazrat Shoaib alayhi salam. The river Danube, the second largest river in Europe, rises in Germany. The capital city of North African country Libya is Tripoli. Apart from French, German and Romansh, the fourth official language of Switzerland is Italian. Largest producer of coffee in the entire world is Brazil. The world's very first underground train service was opened in 1863 in London. There are exactly 12 pairs of ribs present within the normal human body. An ammeter is an instrument used specifically to measure electric current. The iconic rhinoceros horn is structurally composed primarily of hair. The ancient historical city of Tarsus is located in a modern-day Turkey. In the Greek alphabet, the letter O is formally called Omicron. The objective resolution was passed by the First Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on 12th of March 1949. The other prominent name used for the Holy Quran within its own text is Al-Furqan. The Montague Chelmsford reforms were introduced in British India in the year 1919. The total number of major flowing rivers situated in the province of Balochistan is 7. The total number of major flowing rivers situated in the province of Balochistan is 7. Surah of Holy Quran named after an insect, the ant, is Surah Namal. Abu Sufyan accepted Islam at the historic occasion of conquest of Mecca. Head of the state during the 1962 Constitution of Pakistan was the President. First census of Pakistan was conducted in the year 1951. Boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan is formally called Durand Line. Total length of strategic Durand Line is approximately 2640 kilometers. Simon Commission arrived in India to evaluate constitutional reforms in 1928. First President of All India Muslim League was Sir Aga Khan. Shimla deputation met Viceroy Lord Minto in the year 1906. Local government system was introduced in Pakistan by President Ayub Khan. Permanent headquarters of Interpol is situated in the city of Leon. Oldest news agency in the world is AFP, Agence France Presse. Currency used in the state of Japan is called the yen. Capital city of Australia is Canberra. Highest military award of Pakistan, Nishan-e-Haider. Total number of Nishan-e-Haider recipients in Pakistan's history is 11. First recipient of Nishan-e-Haider was Captain Raja Sarwar Shaheed. Largest line of latitude on the globe is equator. International Court of Justice has its permanent seat at The Hague. Total number of judges serving in the International Court of Justice is 15. The term of office for a judge elected to the International Court of Justice is 9 years. The world's largest landlocked country by total area is Kazakhstan. The dynamic protocol used to transfer files across the internet is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Basic operational shortcut key used to undo an action in MS Word is Ctrl plus Z. Shortcut key used to insert a hyperlink inside an MS Word document is Ctrl plus K. In computer terminology, abbreviation HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The brain of any computer system is CPU, Central Processing Unit. The volatile temporary memory of computer is called RAM. Shortcut key combination used to paste copied text in MS Windows is Ctrl plus V. Default extension of MS Excel workbook file in modern versions is .x, LSX. Synonym of English word abrupt is sudden. Antonym of gigantic is tiny. A person who compiles a dictionary is professionally called a lexicographer. The idiom to turn over a new leaf means to change one's behavior for the better. The sound made by an owl is referred to as a hoot. The famous Urdu poem Shikwa and Jawab-e-Shikwa were written by Allama Iqbal. The meaning of the Urdu idiom Aab hona is Sharminda hona. Basic total number of administrative divisions in Punjab is 10. Ancient archaeological site of Harappa is located in district of Sahiwal. Largest city of Pakistan by population and economic output is Karachi. Highest mountain peak situated entirely in Pakistan is K2. Mountain range in which the famous peak Nanga Parbat is located is the Himalayas. First capital city of independent Pakistan was Karachi. The capital of Pakistan was officially shifted from Karachi to Islamabad during the 1960s. Exact year is 1967. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan. First Governor General of Pakistan was Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Second Governor General of Independent Pakistan was Khwaja Nazimuddin. Total number of amendments made to the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan is 27. The current 1973 Constitution of Pakistan was passed during the ministry of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Basic system of 1973 Constitution of Pakistan is parliamentary. Upper house of Pakistan's parliament is known as the Senate. Total number of seats currently assigned to the Senate of Pakistan is 96. Constitutional term of a member of the Senate of Pakistan is 6 years. Lower house of the Parliament of Pakistan is known as National Assembly. Total number of general and reserved seats in the National Assembly of Pakistan is 336. Constitutional term of National Assembly of Pakistan is 5 years. First woman Prime Minister of Pakistan and the Muslim world was Benazir Bhutto. The state of Pakistan conducted its first nuclear tests on 28th of May 1998. The structural place where Pakistan conducted its nuclear test is Chaghi Hills. Dynamic Day celebrated on 28th of May in Pakistan is known as Yom-e-Takbir. Indus Water Treaty between Pakistan and India was signed in the year 1960. International institution that mediated the Indus Water Treaty was World Bank. Famous Tashkent Declaration was signed between Pakistan and India in the year 1966. Shimla Agreement was signed between Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and Indira Gandhi in 1972. Largest artificial or man-made lake located in Pakistan is Kinjhar Lake. Largest natural freshwater lake in Pakistan and South Asia is Manchar Lake. Highest and largest plateau located in Pakistan is Pothohar Plateau. Major desert located in the southern part of Punjab province is Cholistan Desert. Largest desert located in Sindh province of Pakistan is Thar Desert. The only cold desert located in Pakistan is Katpana Desert. famous pass that connects Peshawar with Chitral is Malakand Pass. The pass that connects Quetta with Afghanistan is Khojak Pass. The high mountain pass that connects Pakistan with China is Khunjab Pass. The first biannual or natural dynamic meeting of the first Islamic summit was held in Rabat. Historic second Islamic Summit Conference was held in Lahore in the year 1974. First female governor of a province in Pakistan was Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. The largest thermal power plant operational in Pakistan is Guddu Power Plant. Largest dam in terms of structural water storage volume in Pakistan is Tarbela Dam. The Tarbela Dam is structurally built across the flowing waters of Indus River. Mangla Dam is built across the flowing waters of Jhelum River. Warsaw Pact was a military alliance led primarily by the Soviet Union. North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO) was established in the year 1949. Permanent headquarters of NATO is located in the city of Brussels. The main currency utilized by most member countries of European Union is the euro. The total number of member states currently in the European Union is 27. The exit of UK from European Union is commonly called as Brexit. The National Parliament of Japan is known as Diet. National Parliament of Russia is called Duma. The oldest written constitution still operating in the world belongs to the USA. International news agency Reuters has its main roots and headquarters in the UK. The line that separates atmosphere of Earth from outer space is the Kármán line. The planet in our solar system, known as red planet, is Mars. The coldest planet in position to the Sun in our solar system is Mercury. Brightest and hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. Natural gas that is found in the highest percentage in the atmosphere of Earth is nitrogen. The percentage of nitrogen gas present within the atmospheric air is approximately 78%. Percentage of oxygen gas present within the atmospheric air is approximately 21%. The gas that protects life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation is ozone. The layer of atmosphere where the protective ozone layer is located is the stratosphere. The standard unit used to measure intensity of sound is decibel. The dynamic instrument used to measure exact purity of milk is the lactometer. Instrument used to measure pressure of atmosphere is barometer. Instrument used to measure the speed or velocity of wind is anemometer. The scale used to measure intensity of earthquakes is the Richter scale. Common name of the chemical compound sodium chloride is table salt. Chemical formula of regular baking soda is NaHCO3. Essential gas used by green plants during the process of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. Process through which plants prepare their food using sunlight is photosynthesis. Major structural pigment that gives green leaves their color is chlorophyll. Blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body are red blood cells. Lifespan of a normal human red blood cell is approximately 120 days. Blood cells that act as a defense system against infections are white blood cells. The fluid element that forms the major liquid component of human blood is plasma. Universal donor blood group type in humans is O negative. Universal recipient blood group type in humans is AB positive. Total number of bones present in an adult human skeleton is 206. Smallest bone present within the human body is stapes. Largest and strongest bone present within the human body is the femur. Deficiency of vitamin D in children leads to a disease called rickets. Deficiency of iodine in human diet leads to the enlargement of thyroid gland called goiter. Main source of energy for all living organisms on earth is the sun. Process of pasteurization was invented by famous scientist Louis Pasteur. Antibiotic penicillin was discovered by scientist Alexander Fleming. The theory of relativity was formulated by theoretical physicist Albert Einstein. Law of universal gravitation was proposed by scientist Isaac Newton. First person to step onto the surface of moon was Neil Armstrong. The year in which man first landed successfully on the moon was 1969. Deep Trench, that is the deepest point in the world's oceans, is the Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is located within the western part of the Pacific Ocean. Largest sea in the world by surface area is Philippine Sea. The city known as City of Canals is the Venice. Country known as Land of Rising Sun is Japan. Country known as Land of White Elephants, Thailand. Country known as Land of Thousand Lakes, Finland. Structural canal that connects the Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean is Panama Canal. The strait that separates Europe from the continent of Africa is the Strait of Gibraltar. Strategic strait that lies between Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman is the Strait of Hormuz. The strait that connects Andaman Sea with South China Sea is Strait of Malacca. Longest mountain range in the world above water is the Andes. Highest mountain range in the world containing Mount Everest is the Himalayas. Highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest, is located in Nepal. Capital city of Pakistan's close neighbor China is Beijing. Capital city of neighboring country Afghanistan is Kabul. Capital of Iran, Tehran. Official currency used in Iran is Rial. Currency used in China, Renminbi. National game of Pakistan, field hockey. National animal of Pakistan, markhor. National bird, chukor, partridge. National flower, jasmine. And national tree is deodar. Total area of Pakistan after regional updates is approximately 881,913 square kilometers. Largest province of Pakistan by total land area is Balochistan. Largest province of Pakistan by total population is Punjab. Smallest province of Pakistan by total land area is KPK. Famous historical fort Rani Kot Fort is located in the province of Sindh. Rohtas Fort near Jhelum was structurally built by the ruler Sher Shah Suri. Famous Shalimar Gardens in Lahore were built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Badshahi Mosque in Lahore was constructed during the reign of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Tomb of Allama Iqbal is located right outside the entrance of Badshahi Mosque. First Urdu newspaper published after the birth of Pakistan was Imroz. First news agency established in Pakistan was Associated Press of Pakistan. Longest river flowing entirely inside Pakistan is the Indus River. Total length of Indus River is approximately 3180 km. Major tributary of the Indus River that flows past Lahore is the Ravi River. Primary city of Pakistan known as Manchester of Pakistan is Faisalabad. City known as City of Saints in Punjab is Multan. Historic data of Pakistan's first television station started transmissions from Lahore. The year in which Pakistan Television (PTV) started its black and white broadcast was 1964. First nuclear power plant of Pakistan, Canap, was established at Karachi. Country that financially and technically assisted Pakistan in building Canap was Canada. Second nuclear power plant of Pakistan, Chestnut, was built with the help of China. Famous Karakoram Highway connects Pakistan with China through the Khunjerab Pass. Karakoram Highway is also popularly referred to as Eighth Wonder of the World. Total length of Karakoram Highway within borders is 1300 kilometers. Gwadar Port was officially purchased by Pakistan from the country of Oman in 1958. Gwadar Port is located on the shores of the Arabian Sea. Mega project CPEC stands for China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. First Governor of State Bank of Pakistan was Zahid Hussain. State Bank of Pakistan was officially inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam on 1st of July 1948. First female Federal Minister of Pakistan was Begum Shaista Ikramullah. The local administrative system of East India Company was shattered by the War of Independence in 1857. The Mughal rule in India officially ended with the exile of Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. Historic Aligarh movement was initiated by great reformer Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established the famous MAO College at Aligarh in the year 1877. MAO College at Aligarh was granted the status of a full university in 1920. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan wrote famous commentary booklet titled Asbab-e-Baghawat-e-Hind. Scientific Society was established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan at Ghazipur in 1864. Historic partition of Bengal was annulled or reversed in the year 1911. All India Muslim League was officially founded in the city of Dhaka. Muslim League was formed on the specific date of 30th of December 1906. First formal constitution of All India Muslim League was known as the Green Book. Minto-Morley reforms were introduced in British India in the year 1909. System of separate electorates for Muslims was conceded by British in 1909. Famous Lucknow Pact was signed between Muslim League and Congress in 1916. Main architect behind the formulation of Lucknow Pact was Quaid-e-Azam. Due to his role in the Lucknow Pact, Jinnah was called Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity. Historic Khilafat movement was launched in the subcontinent in the year 1919. The prominent brothers who led Khilafat movement were Maulana Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Dynamic non-cooperation movement was launched alongside Khilafat by Mahatma Gandhi. Khilafat movement came to an end when the institution of Khilafat was abolished in Turkey by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. The year in which Khilafat was officially abolished in Turkey was 1924. Simon Commission was boycotted by Indian leaders because it had no Indian member. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah presented his famous 14 points in the year 1929. 14 points of Jinnah were formulated in direct response to Nehru Report. Nehru Report was published by Congress Committee in year 1928. First Roundtable Conference was held in London in year 1930, second in 1931 and third Roundtable Conference in 1932. The only dynamic Indian leader who attended all three Roundtable Conferences was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Historic name Pakistan was coined and proposed by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali proposed the name in a famous pamphlet titled Now or Never in 1933. Government of India Act, which formed future basis of governance, was passed in 1935. Provincial autonomy was formally introduced in British India under the Act of 1935. Congress ministries resigned from their offices in year 1939. Day of Deliverance was celebrated by Indian Muslims on the call of Jinnah on 22nd December 1939. Historic Lahore Resolution was passed on the milestone date of 23rd of March 1940. Lahore Resolution was formally moved by the leader A.K. Fazlul Haq. A.K. Fazlul Haq was popularly known as the title of Sher-e-Bengal. Lahore Resolution was translated into Urdu by leader Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Cripps Mission arrived in India with constitutional proposals in the year 1942. Prominent leader of Cripps Mission sent by the British government was Sir Stafford Cripps. Dynamic Quit India movement was launched against British rule by Congress in 1942. Historic Shimla Conference was convened by Viceroy Lord Wavell in the year 1945. Crucial general elections in British India which proved the League's stance were held in 1945-46. The Muslim League won all reserved Muslim seats in the Central Assembly during the elections of 1945. Interim Government of India was formed under the leadership of Nehru in 1946. Finance Minister from Muslim League in Interim Government of India was Liaquat Ali Khan. Famous 3rd June plan detailing the partition of India was presented in the year 1947. Last Viceroy of British India who executed the partition plan was Lord Mountbatten. Boundary Commission for dividing Punjab and Bengal was headed by Sir Cyril Radcliffe. The Radcliffe Award was officially announced to the public on 17th of August 1947. The first state to formally access and merge its identity with Pakistan was Bahawalpur. The famous book Making of Pakistan was written by the historian K.K. Aziz. First female University of Pakistan named Fatima Jinnah Women's University is in Rawalpindi. First daily newspaper of the Urdu language was Awad Akbar. The first non-Urdu newspaper overall was Jame Jahanuma, a weekly publication founded in Kolkata, then Calcutta, in March 1822 by Harihar Datta. First capital of Pakistan, Karachi, was selected by Quaid-e-Azam. First national anthem of Pakistan was written by Jagannath Azad. Official current national anthem of Pakistan was written by the poet Hafiz Jalandhari. The musical tune of Pakistan's current national anthem was composed by Ahmed G. Chagla. National anthem of Pakistan has a total playing duration of 80 seconds. Total number of mechanical lines in the national anthem of Pakistan is 15. Language in which national anthem of Pakistan is written is almost entirely Persian. The only Urdu word present within the national anthem of Pakistan is Ka. First Chief Justice of Independent Pakistan was Justice Sir Abdul Rashid. The first Chief Justice who administered the oath of the office to Quaid-e-Azam was Justice Sir Abdul Rashid. The first Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army was General Sir Frank Meservey. First Muslim Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army was Field Marshal Ayub Khan. First general democratic elections held in Pakistan on an adult franchise basis occurred on 7th of December 1970. Historical Pirpur report highlighting Congress Ministry's atrocities was published in 1938. British cabinet mission arrived in subcontinent India in year 1946. Great Muslim general Khalid bin Walid accepted Islam in the year 6 AH. Hazrat Muaz ibn Jabal Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was appointed as the governor of Yemen by Holy Prophet, peace be upon him.